Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Oh boy, here we go. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. We got something new in. And you guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And I do believe this is coming from Wyrestorm. Oh. FedEx is a little different with the boxes, alright? Almost there. Hey, buddy. We got it. What could this be? Come on out. Don't be shy. Let's go. Alright. FedEx. Yep, coming from Wyrestorm. This is a portable plug-and-play USB and Bluetooth conference speakerphone. Sweet. Halo, hey. I remember that game. Pretty cool. Alright, let's check this out. We're going to set it up, have some fun with it, test it out, see what it does. Whoa. This is pretty cool. Lightweight too. For round tables discussions. This is nice. Got the speaker right there. Power. Bluetooth. Battery. Plus minus volume. USB slot goes there. It's like a little UFO design. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else this has. Oh, USB, yep. We got the normal 3, 2.0, 3.0, whatever .0 they're on. Most current one, so that's a good thing. And it should be easy. We're gonna hook it up to my computer. We'll be rocking in a second. I like that. Here she is. Halo. Untwist this. Not sure if this is Amazon or this is going to be a new website you guys could browse. So either or, it'll be corrected in the description and in the title. So, but I think it's a solo company, which is really good. There we go. Typical USBs. Plug it in. There we go. Like that. Easy to do. Yeah, we'll hook it up to the computer. Hold on. Alright, guys, we are on the computer. We're just going to plug it into the USB slot. You guys can see it right there. Should just turn on in a second. There we go. We got some lights. Camera action. I think it's ready to go. Just going to flash. This might take a minute. Brand new. So I'll give it a few seconds. And devices. Oh. Need that speaker. And we'll probably could, there's volume. Crank it up. Oh, see? You can use it, I guess, for Alexa. Alexa, weather.
In Clinton Charter Township, there's a flood warning in effect until Thursday, August 12th, 11:33 p.m.
All right.
The current weather is 87 degrees Fahrenheit
It's hot out
with partly
there.
sunny skies. Tonight's forecast has cloudy skies moving in and out, with a low of 75 degrees.
See? Pretty cool. Easy to do, easy to set up. Bluetooth, you just gotta hook it up. Let me do that right now. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Oops, let me close out those windows. And show you guys how easy this is. Say if you want to do no mic, boop, mic is off. Phone call, end the phone call right there. make a phone call, and a phone call. And now, watch this. Go to your Bluetooth settings. Oops. I got my iPhone, so bear with me. Go to your Bluetooth. Oops. Should be down. Halo. Right there. Oh, it's connected. Alright. So now it's set up to my phone. Maybe I can play some copyrighted music. So you could do like make phone calls with it. Stuff like that. So
It's time to help people.
that sounds good. Give me 1 second, guys. Commercials. Alright.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with
So I'm running off
me.
my iPhone. Oops. Sorry, dead battery. There we go. Oop. But now I'm going to shut it off. And there we go. So like I said, it's really easy to use. And all you got to do is click the link down below. Add it to your cart and check out. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good night.